So we're back in KwaZulu-Natal where the 12 suspects who were arrested after 5 men were found murdered on 2 sports fields near Inanda in Newtown Comprehensive High School are back in court this morning. The suspects were apprehended by police after 5 bodies were discovered hacked on the 17th of January in Inanda. Yesterday, 5 of the 12 accused pleaded their case for bail, while the remaining 7 will seek bail in today's sitting. Newzroom Afrika Ndlovu is on that story for us. Silethiwe, a very good morning to you. Let's speak about what happened yesterday and also some of the issues that are raised by some of the protesters.
Good morning, Elgin. So yesterday during those court proceedings, we heard immediately when the court started, we heard that the state would not be opposing bail in this matter. We then heard that all the 12 accused would be seeking bail. The magistrate then went on to ask those accused a number of questions relating to that bail application, including if they are granted bail, would they be evading their trial, would they be a danger to those different witnesses that we saw appear before the courts yesterday, and also if they have any prior convictions, Elgin. But something to note about this case is that only 5 of the accused, as you have already mentioned, took the stand yesterday to plead their case for bail application. So during today's court proceedings, we know that the remaining 7 are going to get a chance to also plead their case towards bail application, and that is from accused number 6 to accused number 12. Now, something else to note, Elgin, about this case, as you have already mentioned, there were quite a number of protesters outside the court demanding the release of those 12 suspects. Now, one of the reasons that they gave us for protesting outside the court was that those 12 accused, and this is now according to those protesters, those 12 accused are said to be protecting or were protecting the community of Inanda. Now, what they were also stating was that those 12 accused were able to do something that the police seem to be incapable of doing, and this is something that is coming from different community members in Inanda. You will remember that even on the 17th of January, when that incident transpired, we had a conversation with a few community members that stated that the crime in Inanda is quite high, and they've been going to those different police stations to try and get assistance, but unfortunately they have not been getting assistance from the police. Now, again, this is coming from all the community members that we spoke to. But for today, Elgin, it is still a bit quiet here. We haven't seen those protesters make their way back to court, but we are also waiting to see those remaining 7 accused make their case towards bail application. Elgin.
Thank you so much. That is Silethiwe Ndlovu there joining us from outside the Inanda Magistrates Court.